Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to add BCC to Outlook permanently. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Microsoft Outlook application and log into your account. Once you're logged in, wait for your emails to load completely so you can access all the features and tools you'll need. Now that your inbox is loaded, you're ready to enable the BCC field permanently. To do this, click on the New Email button located at the top left part of your screen. This opens up the email composition window where you'll be able to access the settings needed to make BCC visible every time you compose a message. Once the email composition screen appears, direct your attention to the top part of the window where all your tools and menus are located. From here, click on the Options tab. This tab contains various email settings and features that control how your messages are formatted and sent. After clicking Options, you'll immediately see the Show Fields section appear in the menu. Within this section, you'll find the BCC button. This is the option that controls whether the BCC field appears in your email composition window. Simply click on the BCC button to toggle it on. Once you do this, the BCC field will now appear permanently in every new email you compose. This is a toggle feature, which means you can turn it on or off at any time depending on whether you want the BCC field visible or not. And that's it. You've now set up BCC to appear permanently in your Outlook emails, making it easy to send blind carbon copies whenever you need to without having to enable the field each time. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.